Welcome to the Frank L. Weyenberg Library Media Lab training videos. Today we'll be working on digitizing your 8mm film. For this, you'll need the reel or reels you'd like to digitize, as well as a USB drive, also known as a flash drive. First, push the black on switch on the black and silver Bell & Howell 8mm projector. You'll hear the projector start to hum. Make sure the black and silver dial on the front of the projector is set to off. Next, press the power button on the handheld camera, which is sitting to the right of the projector. The power button is located on the top left side of the camera. Finally, press the power button on the Station 2 computer tower. This is the small black ThinkCenter box between the computer monitor and the scanner. Please note that the projector, camera, and film transfer screen have been positioned for optimal digitization. Do not move them. If you must make adjustments, adjust the camera, not the projector or transfer screen. If you need assistance, ask a librarian. Attach your film reel to the right-hand spindle so that the film runs clockwise, with the perforations facing you. Make sure the reel is snugly attached to the spindle by pushing it inward until you feel it click into place. Now, push the red button underneath the projector lens upward until it clicks into place. This will switch the projector into auto-load mode. Turn the black and silver dial one place to the right to the forward position. Just above the lens is a feeder path marked auto-load. Gently feed the end of your film into this path, making sure not to twist the film. The loader will grip the film and pull it into the machine. After a moment, you will see your film emerge on the bottom right side of the projector. It should automatically loop over the take-up reel. When this happens, turn the projector's black and silver dial one more position to still to pause the film. Check the camera's position relative to the transfer screen. Make sure that the camera is capturing the entire projected image. You can zoom in and out on the camera by toggling the switch on top of it. Toggling to the left will zoom out, and to the right will zoom in. Ideally, you'll want to zoom out far enough that the camera captures the whole projection plus a black border around it. That way, you can ensure that you aren't cutting off any edges. When you're satisfied, press the red record button on the back of the camera to start recording. Turn the projector's black and silver dial back to forward. Your film will begin to play. You'll see it projected on both the film transfer screen and the camera's preview screen. To adjust the focus, turn the silver focus dial to the left of the projector lens. To adjust the frame, turn the black framer dial near the bottom of the projector. To adjust the speed, turn the black speed dial. Continue recording until you've reached the end of your reel or until you've reached the end of what you'd like to digitize. If your film unspools from its original reel onto the take-up reel at the end of your recording, ask a librarian for help. Do not attempt to respool the reel yourself or feed it backward through the projector. When you reach the end of what you'd like to record, press the record button on the camera again. Then, turn the black and silver dial on the projector back to off. To rewind your film, turn the black and silver dial one position to the left to reverse. Your film will automatically retract from the projector once it's finished rewinding. When that happens, turn the control dial back to off. Gently pull on your reel to detach it from the spindle. Turn off the projector. Now you'll need to unplug the camera. The camera is attached to a charger in the black surge protector via a USB cable. Unplug the USB cable from the charger. Carry the camera and its attached USB cable over to the Station 2 computer. Plug the camera into the computer's bottommost USB port, which is labeled 2. Then go to the computer desktop. On the left-hand side of the desktop, double-click on this PC shortcut. Here, under Devices and Drives, you'll see the camera listed. Double-click on it to open it. Double-click on Video and then 100 Video to see the video saved on the camera. Your video will be named HDV followed by 4 numbers. If you'd like to watch it again, double-click on it to open it in Windows Media Player. When you're done watching, click the X in the top right-hand corner to close it. Now you'll need to move your video onto your flash drive. Go ahead and plug your flash drive into the computer. When that's done, click and drag the camera window to the right side of your screen. Then, double-click this PC shortcut again. Now, under Devices and Drives, you'll see your flash drive listed. Double-click on it to open it. Now you have your flash drive open in one window and the camera open in another. Right-click on your video in the camera and select Cut. Then, right-click in the white space in your flash drive window and select Paste. Now your video has been moved from the camera into your flash drive. Click the X in the top right-hand corner of the flash drive window to close it. Now you can safely remove your flash drive from the computer. Turn off the camera and unplug it from the computer. Plug it back in on the projection table. Finally, turn off the computer and you're done.